shares cannot sustain these prices. There are so many speculators in all three stocks, especially Highcraft Mining. I mean, it's a speculator's dream. These speculators are about to get their butts handed to them because Friday is coming. Friday is option expiry day after tomorrow, and it is coming for these guys, whether they like it or not. There are billions of dollars being blown up every day right now, just disappearing off the face of the earth. Just AMC alone, the $10 drop in value on AMC equals $5 billion of value gone. It was $34. That's $5 billion of market cap eviscerated. Okay. Yeah, you could say, well, you know, GameStop has dropped $40, Bruce, you know, from the 199 high it had. Yeah, for a nanosecond it got there. And same with AMC. I'll back you up on that. Nanosecond it went to 34 and it died. GameStop couldn't hold 199 for love or money. It gave that up so quickly. Here we are now, like I said, in the low 160s. So yeah, GameStop has lost over $2 billion in market cap, but let's be realistic. Where was the stock of GameStop before it all started? 78, 80 bucks a share. We're still at 160. We're up $80 a share on GameStop in 2 weeks. You take $80 a share, multiplied by the number of shares outstanding, GameStop is still $5+ billion more valuable at this moment in time than it was 2 weeks ago. AMC, however, was $14 to $17. Now it's at $24. It's given up 5 of the 10 it got. It had run up 10 billion in value. Now it's given up 5 of it, and it doesn't look good to hold what it's got. So there you go. This mining thing, Haycroft mining. Oh God, don't get me started. This mining thing that is supposed to save AMC and supposed to transform the AMC value and all this. Haycroft mining, Haycraft mining has 60 million shares outstanding right now. Even with GameStop, no, even with AMC and Eric Sprott involved with their money, there will be 160 million shares outstanding. All right. At $2 a share, Haycraft mining is worth $320 million book value, market cap. That's it. It's a $2 stock. It's worth $320. At $3 a share, which it can't hold, the company, the entire company, is worth $480 million. $480 million. AMC has 100 million shares max, maybe 90 something million is all they've got. Their shares are worth at $3, $270 million. At $2, they're worth $180 million. How in God's green earth is $180 million of a gold mining stock in Nevada going to make GameStop shares go anywhere with 516 million outstanding? Makes no sense. Shares could go up 10 bucks a share, and it still won't make a damn bit of difference for AMC's bottom line in its value as a whole. They need to do 100 deals like this. 100, not 10. 100. They don't have the money. They don't have the money. They don't have the cash flow. They don't have the time to get involved with these kinds of deals. This mining thing is a 5-year venture, minimum, maybe 10. 5 to 10 years before they get a payoff. I don't know if AMC will still be around in 5 to 10 years as it is now as a structure. It may merge with others, spin this thing off, and go other directions. AMC had a chance last week, early this week, they had a chance to issue 100 million shares from their treasury at 27, 28 bucks a share to a dying, hungry market, wanting 200+ million shares of GameStop every day. They could have raised 2.7 billion in cash and knocked off over half of all the remaining debt they've got. Gotten rid of it. Didn't do it. Didn't sell a single share. Why? They can't. Because they're maxed out. Their shareholders won't let them. This thing is a disaster. And so it's a day trader's dream until it isn't, and now it isn't. And we're going to see, I think, a continual backing off of these ridiculous valuations that have nothing to do with human reality. But kids, all I can tell you is we've got to take advantage of what we're being handed. And at the moment, if These GameStop shares want to back off today under 150. They want to go to 145, 150 today, 155. Great. We'll take advantage of it if we can. Even here at 160.62, we'll see the first hour what happens. And if we can do rollovers and get ourselves into, get out of 90s and 100s and 105s and 110s and move up to 140s and 150s and 160 contracts instead, yay. Those of you who've written 160s, 170s, 180s, 190s, 200s, 210s, 220, all the way up as I was begging you to do. It's payday coming up to you guys. It's coming, baby. Today and tomorrow is payday. And you'll be well compensated for your actions, whether you rolled over or whether you took on new positions entirely. Let this stock continue to fall back, and if you can score 75% or more net return on option writing, way to go. Because what you're going to do is you're going to buy back your calls super, super cheap. You're going to see what the market does. It wants to bounce back up to 165, 70, 75. Great.